Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 22nd to 26th June 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.15% positive move, 1.14733 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So even I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week. So let's straight away talk about the weekly momentum, what happened during a previous week momentum. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a medium body and a small to medium lower wick and a small to medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 2337 level, which is indicating as a positive, slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the bell, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here you can see some important levels has been already marked, but I can see a good level. So let me just mark that level as well. You can also mark these level on your chart as well. So now let's zoom it and talk about the closing first. So here 1.14733 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.14517. Direct resistance is 1.14805. After direct support, there is a support of 1.14165 and then 1.13921. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.15083 and then 1.15455. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Though you can mark these level as well on your chart. So before I talk about my opinion, if you're from India and thinking that how you can trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can use the link given in the description and use those coupon code as well. But if you think these prop firms has very strict rules, then you can open your own live funded account where you can fund your own Forex account and then you can trade freely without any condition or without any rules. If you're interested, I have already given link in the description of GTCFX, but if you want to know more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details and will guide you on how you can trade in GTCFX. So now let's talk about my opinion in EURUSD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.14805 to 1.15083. I'm expecting a positive move, but remember, here we only trade for positive move once we get a 4-hour one-day candle closing and we get a candle closing confirmation, then only we trade for this level. But if you're going for any short trade, you can wait for a level of 1.14517 to get breach, and a 4-hour one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations will be positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.